Hello everyone, myself Sandeep from HCL Domino Support team and I welcome you back to a new video how to trigger a mail notification to an administrator about Traveler server status. In this video, we will see step-by-step configuration to enable this notification to an administrator. So without a further ado, let's begin with the video. We all know that we can't be in front of the Traveler server console every time. But then, how we will confirm that whether there is anything wrong with the server which requires our attention? So don't worry, there is a one-stop solution for this. We can generate an output of the tail status command using program document and then generate a mail notification using event handler in monitoring and configuration database, which is widely known as events4.nsf. On the screen, I have added a screenshot for both this configuration for your reference. So let's start with the practical demonstration of the same. We will start configuring program document first. So let's open your domain directory, click on configurations, servers, programs, and click on add program. Enter the program name as nserver, provide the command line, enter the server name for which you will be running the command, enable the schedule. Now let's keep this field blank so that we will run the command throughout the day. Now let's give an interval of 10 minutes and let's select all the days for the week. Click Save and Close. With this, we have configured the program document. Now let's move ahead with next configuration. The next part of this configuration is configuring the events for .nsf. So let's create an event handler. Navigate to Event Handlers by Server. Click on New Event Handler. In the Basics tab, select Notify of the event only for the following servers. Enter the Traveler server name of your domain. Click on Events. Event can be of any type, any severity. And now in this field, put a message that you want to search in your console log. So that is Traveler. The overall status of the Traveler is yellow. Click on Action. Select method as mail. Enter the mailing address for your domain or administrator. Enable the notification and save and close. With this, we have completed with the events handler configuration. You can notice this configuration document for yellow status and same can be configured for the red status. Now our both the configuration has been completed. We are ready with program document and event handler configuration. Now let's turn to the server and check whether the program document has been run or not. We can see our tail status command has been run via program document and we can notice there is a yellow status message on the server. We can also notice the router has delivered a notification to an administrator. Now let's check the mailbox whether we have received this notification. We can notice that events configuration has delivered an email stating the overall status of the Traveler server is yellow. So that is how you can configure a mail notification to an administrator for your Traveler status and you can monitor your Traveler server state. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching the video and keep watching our upcoming videos.